Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva. It's done very simply. Create a new canvas and then select the text tab. In this tab we can choose any text, we can create the text ourselves, or we can choose from ready-made options. Let's choose from the ready-made, choose the text, renaming it, and now we press to select this text block. Once with the left mouse button. And note, if you can't find the animation block, you may have the same situation as me. The thing is that I previously worked with this text block and made an animation, and now instead of the word animation, I have the name of that animation popping up. See, we hover and what animate pops up here. We select this animation effect and let's select delete animation. And you see, we now have the animate block appearing. Now we click on it, we go into the animation options, and we can choose any option we want, like this one. And note there are some features here that are available only in the paid version. For example, intensity, at what speed it comes out the side. This is only done in the paid version, and we can preview what this is all going to look like. Let's press play. We have this text block lasting 5 seconds, but there is an option which I'll talk about a little bit later to make this time period shorter than 5 seconds. Let's zoom in on the text. Now let's try and save the file. Click upload and we see that the file will be saved in video format as a video file. I click save the file, and now let's open it, add a new page. Next I select file, input file, select file and select our video file. Here we have this nice looking video file on this screen. If we select it, we can now trim this file. We click on the cutters and we can choose how long this file is going to be. For example, let's end it early. Like that. And that's how we got this short video file. Another way to change the duration of the animation is to just click on the canvas, not on the text. Pay attention but on the canvas, and see that we have a choice of duration here. We click and we say that we are going to have a duration of exactly 2 seconds. We can apply this to the current page or to all pages. All selected, let's check how it looks in dynamics. And here we have 2 seconds for the first page and 1.5 seconds for the second page. So that's how this short animated video looks. Thank you for your attention. I won't keep you any longer. Good luck and have a nice day.